The kitchen is the heart of the home, but it's also one of the messiest. From greasy stovetops to sticky counters and overflowing sinks, dirt can build up fast. A clean kitchen not only looks good, but also helps prevent bacteria and pests. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you clean your kitchen area efficiently and thoroughly. Step 1. Clear the surfaces. Start by removing everything from countertops, appliances, dishes, utensils, and clutter. This gives you space to clean thoroughly and helps you reset your kitchen. Step 2. Wash dishes and empty the sink. Clean all dirty dishes or load them into the dishwasher. Don't forget to scrub the sink itself with warm soapy water and a sponge to remove buildup and stains. Step 3. Wipe down countertops and backsplash. Spray all surfaces with an all-purpose cleaner or a mix of vinegar and water. Wipe down thoroughly, paying special attention to sticky spots and crumbs around appliances. Step 4. Clean the stovetop and oven. Remove burners or grates and soak them in hot soapy water. Wipe the stovetop using a degreaser or baking soda paste for tough stains. If needed, run your oven's self-cleaning cycle or wipe the inside with an oven cleaner. Step 5. Wipe down appliances. Use a damp cloth or cleaning spray to wipe the outside of your fridge, microwave, toaster, and any other kitchen appliances. For stainless steel, wipe in the direction of the grain for a streak-free finish. Step 6. Take out the trash and sanitize the bin. Empty the trash can and clean the inside and outside of the bin with a disinfectant spray. You can also sprinkle some baking soda at the bottom to absorb odors. Step 7. Sweep and mop the floor. Sweep thoroughly to remove crumbs and debris. Then mop with warm water and floor cleaner, starting from the farthest corner and working your way out. Bonus tip: disinfect high-touch areas. Wipe down cabinet handles, light switches, and appliance knobs to remove germs and grease. These small details make a big difference in maintaining a truly clean kitchen. Final thoughts: a clean kitchen is safer, healthier, and way more enjoyable to cook in. With a bit of daily upkeep and a deeper clean every week or two, you'll keep your kitchen looking and feeling fresh. No time to clean? Let us help. Call Bear Brothers Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com because your home deserves to be berry clean.